I noticed the G22's clothes looks golden
Yeah,
because of
it's
the pure
golden.
gold. Yung brand. Did they introduce the dancers kanina? Yung simula pa lang nagsalita si Jazz. And hindi ko alam kung nag-use sila ng backing tracks because yung mic ni Alfea nung nawala kanina, I could only hear the live band. Ibig sabihin, wala silang backing tracks or mahina. Ibig sabihin, live as in live na live silang kumanta. And it's impressive because they're not afraid to sing live. And their dance moves weren't sweet. They were big and powerful. I like how the music transition, then the guitar played along with just singing. Gusto ko yun. It was also good that the camera focused on them and the dancers disappeared from the view. Hindi. What I mean is they gave G22 the spotlight during their dance break instead of the dancer. It's amazing to watch live. It really gave you goosebumps kanina talaga. Goosebumps. Umpisa pa lang goosebumps na. They have an international appeal, di ba? What can I say pa? They're beautiful and talented. And the only thing na lacking is more songs as they only have a few. Based on their performance today, my rating is 9.9.
Wow, ako naman. What a performance from G22. From start to finish, they deliver so much power and stage presence. The choreography was super sharp, and I love how in sync they were. Especially during the chorus part, you could really feel their energy and those live vocals so strong. I also have to mention their facial expressions. They were fully immersed in the performance, and it made everything feel even more intense. And the live band added a raw rock vibe that took the whole performance to another level. And visually, they look amazing, stylish, confident, and yes, you can tell they are tall and commanding on stage. Honestly, everything came together perfectly for me. This performance is a solid 10 out of 10.